Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm Favor. For all you guys who don't know me, if you're new, my name is Favor. Yes, and as you guys can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be making Indian food. It's called, the meal I'm making is called chicken curry. It's a common meal eaten by Indians. And instead of buying it, I said, why not cook it? I went out, I bought the ingredients and everything. And yeah. But before we start the video, if you're new, please don't forget to like, comment, and most especially, please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. So I'm now going to be showing you the ingredients before I start preparing the meal. So come with me. Guys, these are the ingredients. This is what I actually have with me. These are the ingredients, and what I have with me here is I have my chili peppers. Yes, I have I think they call it coriander, I'm not so sure. Yes, I have my grinded ginger and garlic. Then I have my pieces of chicken. I have my sliced tomatoes. I have my cubed onions, and I have my spices. And the spices I actually have here are, this is chicken, this one here is called chicken masala. Then this is chili pepper. Then this is black pepper. These are bay leaves, and this is a mixture of different spices. I actually put the spices here because yeah, I don't know how to pronounce some of them. You know, Indians like spicy food. So I mixed this. This is called kardemumma in svenska, in Swedish. This is green kardemumma. That one was black. Then this is cinnamon. Yeah. Then I have gloves. These are gloves. Then yeah, my bay leaves here. Then actually I already had grinded cinnamon, which I actually used. So yeah, these are the spices. So the next thing I have with me here is a pan. The pan I'm actually going to be using to make my chicken curry. And the first thing I'm now going to be doing is heating the oil. And this is the oil I'm actually using. I love olive oil, guys. It's healthy. Now just putting some. The pan is so hot. It's cooled down now. That should not be a problem. Now that we've put our oil in, the first thing I'm going to be using is onion. The first thing I put is onion. So the first thing we started with is the onions. Thank you. Putting is my ginger, garlic, and the bay leaves. I'll just put them in. Yeah. So the next thing I'm actually going to be putting is the tomatoes. But before you put the tomatoes, make sure the onions, the bay leaves, the garlic, and the ginger have a brown in color. So we're actually going to add a little bit of salt just for some taste. So guys, after adding the salt and everything, we now want the tomatoes to be done. So we're now going to cover it. We're now going to put a lid and wait for it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, let's see how it looks. Okay, now that the tomatoes, onions, and everything in here is done, the next thing I'm actually going to be putting is chicken. I'm going to be adding the chickens. And now after putting the chickens, the next thing we're now going to do is add our chili pepper, green pepper. Yes, as you can see. Then now we have our spices. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to put everything inside. And some pepper. Guys, Indians eat so many spices. Too much spicy food. So guys, this is how it's actually looking when you mix it. I need Indians in the comment section to, you know, say something. This is how it's supposed to look. Yes. So I've mixed the spices and everything. I put the chicken. Then the next thing I think we're supposed to do is add water. As you can see, I have my water here. I'm going to add so that the chicken can cook. As you can see, I'm adding water. Okay guys, this is how it's looking after adding water. So now that I've added the water, I think we're now going to mix a little bit. Yes, and just allow it to cook. So guys, we've waited for like 15 to 20 minutes, and let's see how it looks now. Okay, well, look what you've done to me. Okay, let's try to, guys, this food smells spicy. It smells so spicy. And I actually made some rice to go with it. So I usually see them eating the yellow rice or the white rice. So I decided to make the yellow one because we've been eating the white rice a lot. So yeah, this thing smells so good but too spicy. And the last thing I'm going to be adding is the coriander. Yes. I hope this is not too much. I usually see them doing this. This is what I usually do. This is how it's looking. The chicken curry, Indian chicken curry, guys. So now I'm going to call my husband. I actually want him to taste this food. We'll taste it together and get our reaction. So guys, this is how it actually looks with the rice. And now I'm going to be telling my husband to try it to see to see how it tastes and everything. So let's see his reaction.
That is full?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm testing the food now.
Yes. What do you think about it?
This is the
Indian chicken curry. It's spicy, right?
Very spicy.
The food is so spicy.
And it tastes good.
It does?
The way you made it, you tried. You did very well. And this is your first time making it, right?
Yeah, it's my first time. I'm happy you like it. But I feel the spices, they use too many spices. They love spices.
But it's very good. It tastes very nice. So I'll give you 8/10.
That's good for a start. That's good for a start. So guys, that is it for the video. As you guys can see, my husband is enjoying the meal, and I gave my daughter plain rice because it's kind of too spicy, but yes. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.